Welcome to the Brain Test Challenge. Can you guess the word in 5 seconds? You'll have 5 seconds per question. Ready? Let's see how much you are smarter. Question 1. A yellow fruit that monkeys love. Yes, it's banana. Something you write with in school. Correct, it's pencil. It tells you the time and you wear it on your wrist. Yup, it's watch. A pet that barks. Great job, it's dog. A sweet frozen treat you eat in summer. Correct again, it's ice cream. You use it to call or text someone. Well done, it's phone. You drink it, it's clear and comes from a bottle or tap. Yes, it's water. You wear these on your feet when you go outside. Correct, it's shoes. You sleep on this at night. Yup, it's bed. A red fruit often used in ketchup. Great job, it's tomato. A big animal with a trunk. Correct again, it's elephant. You read stories from this. Well done, it's book. A place where you buy food. Yes, it's supermarket. It shines in the sky during the day. Correct, it's sun. You open this to enter a room. Yup, it's door. A round fruit that keeps doctors away. Great job, it's apple. You use this to brush your teeth. Correct again, it's toothbrush. A device you watch movies on. Well done, it's TV. You write on this in a notebook. Yes, it's paper. A small buzzing insect with black and yellow stripes. Correct, it's bee. You wear this on your head when it's cold. Yup, it's hat. A colorful toy that flies in the wind. Great job, it's kite. You find sand and waves here. Correct again, it's beach. Flying vehicle with wings. Well done, it's airplane. You cut things with this sharp tool. Yes, it's scissors. You wear these to see better. Correct, it's glasses. A fast means of transport that runs on tracks. Yup, it's train. An animal that says meow. Great job, it's cat. Something you open when it rains. Correct again, it's umbrella. A holiday in December with gifts and trees. Yes, it's Christmas. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.